This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST271 VRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, microwave, water heater, refrigerator, slide-out, oven, awning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST271 VRB is 6,770 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST271 VRB. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.